we are having the is for feminine, means female, and then we are having das is the. Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain. And guys, today I'm again here with you with another episode. So guys, this is so demanding video. So in this video, basically what I'm going to tell you, can you guess it? Because I have told you in my earlier live session that what exactly I'm going to do it. By the way, you have already read the title of the video. So without wasting time, let's talk about the biggest problem of German: articles. So yeah, let's go forward. So guys, basically what are articles? Articles are the genders, which is the most important thing, and every noun is having their article. Without articles we cannot identify any gender. So yes, article is the most important and the difficult part while you are learning German language. And for a beginner or for any student, articles are the most typical word. So yes, today I will be discussing that, how you can identify, and a very easy tips and tricks. So are you ready? Let's go forward. So guys, basically we are having different types of articles. So there is there is for masculine, which is male. Then we are having the is for feminine, means female, and then we are having das is for neutral. So these are the three articles, and one by one I will be telling you the tips and tricks that how you can identify and catch the words that okay, this is masculine, this is neutral, or this is female. So yeah, let's go forward. So guys, when somebody asks that okay, die Lampe, why die Lampe? Das Bett, why bed? So guys, in this situation there is no particular reason for anything. It's just like you just have to learn it. There is no particular reason behind it. It's a gender. So yes, you have to learn a gender. And very important thing, don't compare English and German, because in English we say that okay, male is something masculine, male is like men or a boy. But in German, for masculine, there's stool. Stool is basically a chair, and chair is male. So there is no sense, and that's why article becomes the toughest thing in German. So don't worry and don't panic yourself. We are having simple tips and tricks. I think so you are not knowing that because that are not mentioned in your books. So yes, today we will be discussing that. Let's go for the masculine one. Masculine article is there. So yeah, let's go. If I talk about with a very basic example for masculine, that is their Vater. Vater is your father. Their man, their husband. So yes, these are the very common examples, and you will be knowing. Yeah. So now let's go to the tips. Names of the weekdays, seasons names, months names, all use article masculine. So it is very easy to remember. Their Montag, their Dienstag, everything, their Frühling. So yes, that will be carrying in your masculine. Fine. So this is simple and simple. If I talk about with the ending, so yeah, here we start with the tips for masculine. So whatever noun is ending with ig in the end, that particular word will be using masculine there. Example you can see on your screen. Yes. Words ending with ish. Words ending with ish, ich, always will be having the article with there. Words ending with ling, ling, ling. Words, zum Beispiel you can see on your screen. So yeah, whenever ling will be in the end, always the article will be there. There is used for masculine. Words ending with ant, ant, ant. Wherever you will be finding such endings, then the article will be there. There is used for masculine. Last but not the least, words which are ending with er. Er words, example you can see on your screen. So yes, whatsoever word will be ending with er, the article will be there, masculine. So masculine is super easy. By such all things you can identify the article there for masculine. Now let's go to the feminine. Feminine article is the. So if I talk about very basic example for female feminine is die Mutter, the mother, die Frau, lady, die Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin. I am a teacher. Yeah. Now let's talk about the tips and tricks. Nouns ending with schlaft, S-C-H-L-A-F-T, will be having the article die as a feminine. Example you can see on your screen. Nouns ending with heit, H-E-I-T, will always be having the article die. Die is a feminine article. So guys, next is noun which are ending with K-E-I-T, kite. That all words will be having the article die. Die is a feminine articles. An example you can see on your screens. Next is noun endings with UNG. So whatsoever noun will be ending with UNG, that will be feminine articles. Example you can see on your screens. Words which will be having the endings of ION, that will be always having the article feminine. So super easy to identify such words. Last but not the least, words which are ending with T, A umlaut T, will be having the endings of feminine, the, and very important, all the flowers like the rose, the tulip, having the article female. So the rose. Yeah. So these were all about females, that how you can identify feminine article the. Now let's go to the next, and next is Neutrum, das. Das is the article for Neutrum. So yeah, if I talk about very basic example, das Auto, the car. Let's talk about the tips and tricks which will be helping you to identify Neutrum. So let's go forward. It's ending with C-H-E-N, like Mädchen. Mädchen is a girl, but here you can see girl is Neutrum. So that what I was trying to tell you in the starting, that in German we can't identify that okay it is a girl and girl will be female. No. Here Mädchen, the Mädchen is a small girl and small girl is Neutrum here. Yeah. So it's not the Mädchen, it's das Mädchen. So whosoever word will be ending with C-H-E-N will be having the article das. Words ending with M-E-N-T, melt, will be having the article of das. Neutrum. Words ending with ma, M-A, will be having the article of Neutrum. Example you can see on your screen. So das is the article for Neutrum. Last but not the least, whatsoever word will be having ending like UM. Example you can see on your screens. So UM, wherever you can see UM as an ending, then yes, that particular word will be having Neutrum. So yes, it is super easy to identify. Remaining words, if you see plural, will be like a plural. So yeah, I'm not telling the tips and tricks for that because that is little bit same. You can easily identify them. But yes, this is how, and this will really help you if you learn it very thoroughly on your swimming trips. If you learn it, then yes, these tips and tricks will be helping you in a very easy form. I hope you like this video, and guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'm coming live on Tuesday for you. So if you have any question related to anything, visa, Germany, German studies, Germany jobs, or anything, please comment down below, and I am looking forward for all your questions. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning German with German Gyan. Bye bye, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere, so that you must know so many different things which you are missing here. So see you in the next video, and guys, if you want any topic video, then you can comment down below. Of course, I will be making this next Tuesday, 3 o'clock. See you.